To add a clickable link to a page in your Blackboard course, in this case we have a blank page. If I want to add a link here, I'd first switch on the edit mode. Then I'm going to scroll down to my content area and I'm going to place the cursor where I want to add the link to. Then I'm going to click the link button and type in the URL here. I'm going to give it a link to TED Talks. And the text to display, I'm going to add TED Talks. And I'm going to have this link open in a new window. Once I'm done, I'm going to hit save. And you'll see here a link has been added. And I'm going to hit submit. And now I'm going to preview it. So I'll switch off my edit mode, go to the page. I'm going to click on my link. And it should take me to TED.com.